You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from Italian. If you want to learn more Italian vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you coming up. Città. This is Italian for a city, a city. Città. Yes, the C before an I in Italian is pronounced like CH, like cappuccino. Città, because you have double T, you want to make the T longer. Città, città. And you want to stress on the ta syllable. Città is how to say city in Italian in Italy, how to pronounce Italian pronunciation. Città. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.